This tutorial is going to go over how to update the officers and meetings page. You'll need to do this as officers change and you want to edit the photos. First, I'm signed in, Sailfish Streiders admin, and first I want to put the photos in the Files and Photos folder. So I'll go to Albums, which houses all your pictures. And it's trying to keep this organized. We're going to upload an officer's photo, so I'll go to that folder, and if one of these photos is not the one I'm going to use, then I'll want to add a photo by clicking Add Photos up top here. Then I'm going to go ahead and click Get Photos from my computer. And I can browse my computer to get the photo I want by using this pop-up here. So I'll click the photo I want to use, and I'll click Open. And then it asks me to upload this photo, so I'll click that. And once it's uploaded, I click Done. And that is the photo that I just uploaded. Now, as you can see, I've already done that. So to delete any photos, you just check the box up in the top left corner, and then you have the option to click Delete Selected. So I'll go ahead and do that. And it always wants to double check you, because once it is deleted, you can't redo it. You have to go over and do it all over again. So the photo that I'm going to use is in my file folder. So now I'll get out of here by clicking, trying to get it to turn red, by clicking the X up top. So now I know my photo is there, so I'll go to my website pages folder. I'm going to go to Add a New Page, and that's going to bring me to my Officers and Meetings page. Before I go to my Officers and Meetings page, though, you can see number 5 is Picture Page. Picture Page I need to use it, but it's not always viewable from the public side. But I do need to make it viewable to the public side, so I can then get the photo and put it on the Officers and Meetings page. And let me show you what I mean by that. I'm going to go to the drop down menu, and I want to go ahead and make sure that the picture page is open to all. So I'll click that, and I need to go down and update my news categories so that change is saved and updated. So now that that has been updated, I will go to edit a news item on this page. And I still, again, am working on the picture page. And what I want to do with this is to check the site. I want to be able to view that page, so I'll click over to the right near the bottom, check the site. And that opens. Should open the picture page, and then I'll be able to see on the public side the picture that I want to use for the Officers and Meetings page. And it's thinking. So now my picture page is up, and what I'm going to do is look for the picture that I just uploaded, and there it is. So what I'm going to do is hover my mouse over the picture. I want to right click it. I want to go down to Properties all the way at the bottom, and I'm going to click Properties. And this pop-up window pops up, and I need this URL address. I'm going to use that on my other page to show this picture. So it's a little tedious. You want to make sure that you kind of move your mouse down so you get the entire code, and then again I'm going to right click, and this comes up, and I'm going to copy that. So now I'll go ahead and click OK. And I'm going to click X out of this page, web page, because we're done using that now. I want to go to add a new page in my website pages folder. Add a new page, so I'll click add a new page. It'll bring me back to where all my pages were. Now I'm going to be working on the officers and meetings page, and I want to edit an item on this page. So I click edit. Then I go all the way to the right, and I need to click this pencil so I'll be able to edit what's already there. And you can kind of get an idea that you are on the officers and committees page. I'm going to add that picture to this square. I want to highlight this picture, and then I need to go into the toolbar and click the insert/edit image, and it's this tree icon here. So I click that. A pop-up window comes up, and that URL that I copied, I don't know what this is, I'm going to delete that, but the URL that I copied is going to go up here, and I'm going to make sure my cursor's in there. I will right click again, and now I'm going to use the option to paste. That's going to paste the URL that I copied from the picture page. And again, you always want to update anything and everything to save your changes, so I'll do update. And as you can see, that picture is in there now. You kind of might want to work with it a little bit. This one looks a little stretched out. It still looks pretty good though. So that is how you put the picture inside that area where we wanted to edit the picture. Again, you always want to update My Site News. For instance, to change the name, I can just go back here and change her name if I misspelled it or whatnot. And I'm going to make her the treasurer. You're able to go ahead and just type in there to update the name and the title. Again, I want to go down to the bottom of the page and update My Site News to save the work that I've done. And you can always verify what it looks like on the public side by going to check the site in this blue bar down here on the right hand side. So we want to see what it looks like on the public side of the website. And there is my picture that I edited.